If a girl you like or a girl that you are with is not calling you every day, she's not texting you every day, then my brother, you are doing everything wrong. In this video, I want to teach you guys how to make that girl that you like or that your girlfriend to be calling you and texting you every single day. I want to teach you guys how to make them obsessed with texting you and calling you every single day. Now, some people might say, oh, the easiest way to make a woman to be calling you and texting you every day is by spending on her, is by giving her money. Now, that can work too. But do you really want a woman that will be calling you every day and texting you every day simply because she's using you for her financial benefits? Personally, I wouldn't want that. I want my woman to be calling me and texting me every day because she really loves me, because she really likes me, because she really and genuinely finds me attractive and wants to be with me. I want my woman to be calling me every day and texting me every day because she really cares about me. So how can you make this to happen? There are simple ways to make sure that your woman is calling and texting you as if she's obsessed with you. Now, the very first way is you must be an interesting guy. That's the truth. A woman will not get to that point when she wants to be hearing from you every single day, except you are an interesting guy. Now, how do I mean by an interesting guy? You have to be that kind of guy that whenever she's around you, she's always having fun. Whenever she's around you, you're always making her laugh. Whenever she's around you, she's always having a good time. You have to make a woman to be obsessed with your presence so that when you're not around her, she'll be missing your presence and she will have no choice but to be wanting to be calling you and texting you every single time. You have to be an interesting guy. You have to know how to hold conversations, fun conversations, deep conversations. You have to know how to make a woman to be hooked by the kind of conversations you talk with her, by the kind of things you talk with her. This is why, as a guy, you must be eloquent. You must have a lot of knowledge about different things, because it's only when you have knowledge about different things that you can talk with a girl and make her find you interesting. Only a guy who can hold conversation with a woman can make that woman to become addicted to his conversations. You have to make a woman or the woman you like to be addicted to talking with you, being around you, and spending time with you. Else, when you're not around her, she will not be obsessed with calling you and texting you. That is the first thing you have to do. The second one is you must make her to always feel good about herself whenever she's around you. There are some girls that, in fact, most women struggle with low self-esteem issues. They're always having this inferiority complex, this thing that they don't like about themselves. In fact, they always have many weaknesses which they don't like about themselves. Now, your job as a man who really wants to make a girl addicted to calling you and texting you every single day is find out those her weaknesses. Now, these things I'm telling you guys is almost like psychology. Find out those things she doesn't like about herself. Probably it could be that she feels that she's not hardworking enough, or it could be that she feels that she's not worthy of getting a particular job or something like that. Just find out those things that she doesn't really like about herself, or those things she's afraid of. And whenever she's around you, try to lift her spirits about those things. Try to make her feel good about herself in that area. Try to, give her those compliments, those praises that can lift her spirits and make her be comfortable with herself. When a woman knows that she always feels good about herself when she's around you, that woman will get addicted to always wanting to hear from you, because she now knows that this guy, whenever I'm around him, I always feel good about myself. I always have a high level of confidence. I'm always feeling happy. I'm always feeling, high whenever I'm around him. My spirit is always high if I'm around him. That woman will get addicted to always calling you and texting you, because at this point, she now knows that you are almost the antibiotics to her low self-esteem. So for her to always feel good about herself, she always wants to be around you or always wants to hear from you. So this is the second one. The third one is you always have to look good and smell nice. Now, when it comes to women, how you appear matters a lot. How you smell matters even more. If a girl knows that she always perceives good cologne, or you have this nice smell about you, the woman will always be addicted to your presence and to your voice. For example, whenever this girl is around you, you're always smelling nice, you're always looking good, you're always looking attractive, you are always looking yummy. Now, that's good looks, or that's your colon, will create an impression in her head. Yes, and this impression will make it harder for her to not want to be around you always. So that whenever she's not around you, that smell under your colon will always be stuck in her head to the point that she will always want to call you. Yes, if you smell good, you will always find it that women will want you more. We find you more attractive. We'll be more comfortable talking with you because you smell good. Unlike when you're not smelling good at all or when you don't have a colon. It makes women's attraction for you to go down. Scientifically, it has been proven that the better a man smells, the more women will find him attractive. Because there is a connection between how you smell and the female's femininity. That's truth. So you have to smell well to be able to make these women to find you attractive and to also be able to make them to always want to hear from you. Because your colon, your smell has created an imprint in their brains. The next one is act like you are more interested in being their friends. When you are making it obvious to a woman that you are more interested in being her friend and not her partner, that woman will feel more comfortable around you. She will feel more comfortable enough to open up to you rather. She will open up to you. She will feel free to always talk to you, to always converse with you, to have deep conversations with you. When you make it obvious to a woman that you want a relationship with her, it puts a certain level of pressure on her to the point that she may not want to be free with you because she's scared that if I reveal my true self to this guy, since he wants to date me and I like him, he may not find it comfortable to be with me because I'm not sure he might like the true me, the real me. You know, women have these insecurities about them. So when you are always pushing that relationship narrative, she will not be comfortable enough to open up herself to you. But when you make it obvious to a woman that you are more interested in being her friend, she'll feel more comfortable around you. She'll get more addicted to you. She'll feel more comfortable telling you the nastiest things about herself, telling you the scariest things about herself, telling you the most goofy things about herself. And when a woman is constantly feeling comfortable around you, as she's feeling comfortable, she also becomes addicted to you. And the point will come when she will not be comfortable if she has not heard from you for a long time. And that will make her to be always calling you every day and almost all the time. Because you've made her feel too comfortable around you. And the only way to achieve this is when you make it seem as if you are more interested in being her friend than her boyfriend. Women will warm up to you. They will open up more when you take this approach. The next one is make her know that you have a life outside of her. When you meet a girl and you now begin to make that girl the center of your life, that will push that woman away. That will make her to see you as a guy who is too obsessed, who is too desperate, and who is too needy. And all these things make a woman to find a man unattractive. So when you meet a girl, make your interest known to her, but also make it obvious to her that you have a life outside of her. This is why as a man you must have hobbies. When you have things that keep you busy, that will give that woman an opportunity to miss you and to call you. Imagine your woman knowing that you are at the gym in the evening. Every evening she knows that you are at the gym. Every morning she knows that you are at your shop, at your office, or at your work. Every afternoon she knows that you are probably somewhere hanging out or having fun. All those things have a way of making a woman to miss you more. All those things have a way of making a woman's heart grow fonder for you and want you more. And when you're not around your woman and your woman knows that you are somewhere having fun or being busy, all those things will make her to be calling you. All those things will make her to be wanting to hear from you. Don't make your life to revolve around a woman. That is the easiest way to make these women to find you repulsive. The last one is always flirt with her. Nothing drives women's interest higher in a man than that man subtly flirting with them. Once in a while, tell her something nasty. Be naughty with her. Call her a bitch. Once in a while, grab her neck. Once in a while, look at her deep in the eye and kiss her. Whenever you're around a woman, always be flirting with her. Always make her feel like your little sister. You know how a big brother makes her little sister, feel good around him. Probably you bully her, you make fun of her, you make jokes about her. You basically make her to, feel small around you. That is how you flirt with a woman. And when you constantly do all these things, this will bring out the feminine side of that your woman, and she'll start seeing you as a masculine guy. And before she knows it, she will become addicted and helplessly attracted to you, to the point that she will always have no choice but to be buzzing your phone, calling you always, and wanting to be around you because you flirt with her and you bring out the feminine side of her.